Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on various stock exchanges around the world, and I also upload my daily analysis on 10 Forex currency pairs. So in this video I'll be analyzing Australian dollar and current Canadian dollar for today only. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So I'm using the 1 hour time frame because this is for day trading purpose only. As you can see, the market was in a range here. Okay, and there was a breakout from here, and right now market is consolidating again. And well, today is Monday, and we all noted during the initial hours, market stays very dull, so we can expect some action on the later time. Okay, so as of now, hmm, what we observe from the market is that after a good amount of run, market is taking rest as of now. Okay, so this is the sorry about it, bad yellow and blue triangle. Let me draw lines. It will be better. Market is in this range right now, so you need to avoid taking trades between this range. Okay, just uh just watch the market. Okay, you don't need to buy and sell anything right now because market is consolidating. So there is also a chance that market may break out. If market breaks this level upward, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, and if market give you a breakdown, if market reaches this particular level, then I'll say that do not go ahead and short the market right away. Just look at the size of the candle. If the candle is very big, then only short the market. Otherwise, just you need to observe today. Okay, if market breaks this level in the later time, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, let's check out the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame is my personal favorite also. Okay, the 4 hours time frame is also telling us the same story. Right now, market is taking risk. There is no trend in the market as of now. After this beautiful good run, okay. So just take rest. Okay, just wait and watch the market. If it crosses the line, this above line, then you can buy. And if it stays within this range, then just avoid the market. Okay. So that's it with the analysis of Australian dollar and Canadian dollar for a day. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay. And if you want to know more about me, then you can check out my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.